Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure. And today we're making French toast. You need 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extra. Also, you need some toast. Today we have cinnamon toast. If you have white toast, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of honey. Let's begin. Let's begin with crack egg. You got 1 egg. Make sure that you wash your hands after touching the eggs because you don't want to get food poison. Pour in the milk, which is 1/3 cup of milk. Next, you pour in half a teaspoon of vanilla extra. You need to mix with a fork.
I use a fork because then you like cut the yolk up.
Next step requires stovetop. Make sure you have adult supervision. Turn on the stove to medium heat. Before you put the bread on the skillet, you get a stick of butter, unwrap it, then put the butter aside. Now you get your toast and put it in your mixture. Make sure it soaks up your mixture because that is how you're gonna make your French toast. Put it on. Make sure it cooks through because it is egg. The toast should look golden. This one's ready. This one's ready. It's time to eat. No. If you have any cookie cutters, you can cut them out. We had gingerbread men, so we cut them out, and on the plate, these gingerbread men are playing baseball. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and push the like button. Have a nice day. See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!